So on this video, we're gonna be starting to fix the things on this MC5. We've already got the steering box pulled out. We're gonna be sending it off and having it rebuilt. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. All right, so here's the box. This right here, I don't know if y'all can hear that. It does not sound good, but it's got a lot of play in it. Like I could move it, look how much I can move it without this thing even moving. We're gonna get this sent off so we can get it repaired. We pulled the AC compressor. We've got it prepped. We're gonna be upgrading it to an 05G compressor. So what we gotta do is we've gotta basically build a bracket for that to go in. So here's the compressor that's gonna go in there. We've got it cleaned up. I've put a seal in it. We're gonna have a new clutch. We're gonna have new switches, several things on it. This has been freshened up. It's not a reman compressor, but I did put a kit in the top and I did put a seal in it. I'm gonna put 2 new unloader valves in it right here and here. And then we'll set them. I'll show you guys, if I remember to do it, I'll show you guys how to set unloader valves to recommended pressures once the compressor gets installed. Here is the bay where we pulled the compressor out of, and this is the mount. Well, that compressor will not sit on this original mount without modification. So we've built some brackets that are gonna go on here that mount here to shim it up. The other thing we gotta fix is the floor has come out of this bus. So while we've got this, we're gonna clean this whole corner up. We're gonna clean everything up because I gotta do some welding in here and I have to have a couple things made. And then we're gonna re-rivet that pan back on and then we'll kind of go from there. Finally, with all of its glory, we've got this rebuilt gearbox. We're gonna get this installed, get everything hooked back up, get it tested. It's supposed to be gone through, new worm gear in it, everything. So I'm excited to get it installed and let's see how she steers. Key things to remember with these older boxes, a couple things. One, it's normal for this shaft to have excess play in it while it is not working. When you are steering and it's under pressure, this shaft will tighten up and it will work as it should. The other thing you have to remember is this is a manual gearbox with a hydraulic assist, basically. So they basically just bolted a hydraulic assist to a manual steering box. That's why this is super light compared to the D's and 9s and 102s and things like that, because the power steering assembly is all built into the gearbox. Well, I say that to say that there is an oil level. You have to check the oil level in this box. It's not just lubricated by power steering fluid. All right, so I'm gonna show you this. So y'all could pause it and read that. The other thing that you should know is if you mix the lines up, you can damage this box. So very, very careful, very important to tie and mark the lines carefully. The other thing is to make sure your lines are in good shape. If the oil can't flow back to the tank properly, you can overpressurize this gearbox, causing seal leaks and other things. So important, little small things, but important things. All right, well, we're gonna see if we can shoehorn this bad boy in there now. These aren't as bad to do compared to like the 9s, the D's, and some of the J's. Good Lord, man. Whew. You got there is no gym required for them. Look, if y'all are thinking about spending money on gym, yoga, anything like that, just go out there and change the steering box in your MC9, 102, D Coach, and 2007 and newer J's. No gym required. You'll make Arnold look like Pee Wee Herman. Future Brandon here. We had some GoPro footage that failed on our earlier videos. This bus has been here for a little while. We've been doing this project. We were waiting on a bunch of little parts to come in here or there. That's one of the problems with these older coaches, is sometimes it can take a little longer for us to get things. We've got a part 2 on this bus coming out where we finish up some of the other stuff. We've got some of the video footage recovered. Some of it we lost. We no longer use GoPros. We use DJI products. some of the stuff that we recorded is on those older cameras that we've seemed to lost. So to catch you guys up on the part 1 video, we've modified the base down here. As you can see, we've built brackets and stuff, and you can see this bracket up here. We've built brackets to mount this new style compressor, this 05G. We've also soldered and connected the pieces that we need for the discharge and the suction. We've also replaced the hoses for the discharge and suction. We've got the 2 switches in, and we've got the unloaders in, and they need to be set, but they're in. And we've got this bus pressurized with nitrogen. It has no leaks at this time. So we're soon to charge it up, and that's when we'll start video number 2. You'll see some footage of us putting a valve cover together, and you'll also see tuning and setting this compressor. I'm sorry this was kind of a shorter video. A lot of the footage that I had saved for adjusting the clutch and everything like that, we have lost it. So anyway, stay tuned. Appreciate everybody, and I'll see you guys on the next one.